Okay, so Boom AI is your new business BFF. All right, y'all, what's good? It's your girl, Juanita. And look, we need to talk. Because if you're out here grinding, trying to make your business dreams a reality, but you're feeling like you're doing everything yourself, honey, I see you. I've been you. But we're stepping into 2025 and things are looking a little different, a little artificially intelligent. And no, I'm not talking about robots taking over the world, okay? I'm talking about AI tools that are actually here to help us. The everyday entrepreneurs, the ones with big visions and maybe not so big teams, to scale our businesses without losing our minds or our savings accounts. So, if you're an entrepreneur, a creative, a hustler, and you're ready to stop playing small and really level up your operations using technology that doesn't require a PhD to understand, then you are in the right place. This ain't for the tech giants with unlimited budgets. This is for us. We're diving deep into the AI tools that are going to be game changers in 2025, specifically the ones that are, and I cannot stress this enough, user-friendly and affordable. Because, let's be real, who has time for complicated software that costs more than your rent? Not me, and I'm guessing not you either. We're going to break down how these AI sidekicks can take some of that heavy lifting off your plate, from handling customer questions while you sleep, to finding your next big client, to making your marketing actually, work without you having to post on 16 different platforms manually. Think of it as finally getting that assistant you've always wanted, but way more efficient and probably less judgy about your snack choices. So grab your notebooks or your iPads or whatever you use to soak up game, because we're about to get into it. Let's make 2025 our year to scale smarter, not harder. Your 24/7 customer service MVP AI chatbots that actually help. Let's talk customer service. How many times have you been busy and your phone or email is blowing up with customer questions? It's a good problem to have, but it can lead to burnout. If you're not quick to respond, potential customers might bounce. We want happy customers who feel heard, even when we're not available 24/7. This is where AI-powered chatbots come in. These new AI chatbots are intuitive and can handle common inquiries. Imagine you run an online boutique. Instead of juggling questions, integrate an AI chatbot. This chatbot, let's call her Sasha Bot, is programmed with all your store's info. She's polite, efficient, and never needs a coffee break. A customer hops on your site at 2 a.m. and gets instant answers. The customer completes the purchase, and you wake up to a new sale. That's the dream, right? These AI tools also gather valuable customer data. This helps you improve your business and offerings. They have drag-and-drop interfaces and easy-to-understand analytics. Integrate them with your existing platforms for smarter operations. Provide instant support and escalate complex issues to a human agent. Free up your resources to handle complex interactions and focus on growth. AI chatbots enable sustainable growth and high customer satisfaction. Look into AI chatbot solutions to handle customer service efficiently. Closing deals while you sleep AI for sales domination. All right, let's switch gears and talk about sales, because, let's be honest, no matter how amazing your product or service is, if you're not making sales, you don't have a business, right? You just have a really expensive hobby. And as entrepreneurs trying to scale, we need a sales process that's not just effective, but also efficient and, dare I say, somewhat automated. Because cloning ourselves isn't an option yet. This is where AI tools for sales come into play, and trust me, they are doing the Lord's work. I'm talking about tools that can help you find better leads, qualify them faster, personalize your outreach, and even predict which deals are most likely to close. It's like having a super-powered sales assistant who's always on, always learning, and never asks for commission. Well, mostly just a subscription fee, which is way better. Think about the traditional sales grind hours spent prospecting, cold calling, sending generic emails, and then trying to keep track of every single interaction in a spreadsheet that's probably a hot mess. It's exhausting, and honestly not always the best use of our unique entrepreneurial talents. We should be focused on building relationships and closing deals, not getting bogged down in tedious administrative tasks. AI can help us do just that. Let's imagine a B2B startup. We'll call them Innovatech Solutions. They've developed this amazing new software, but their sales team, which is basically the founder and one very enthusiastic intern, is struggling to identify the right companies to target. They're casting a wide net, and a lot of their effort is wasted on leads that are just not a good fit. Sound familiar to anyone? Yeah, I thought so. Enter an AI-powered sales intelligence tool. Let's name this one LeadLeap.ai. This isn't just a static database. LeadLeap.ai uses machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data company websites, social media activity, news articles, industry trends, to identify companies that perfectly match Innovatech's ideal customer profile. It doesn't just give you a list of names, it tells you why they're a good fit. So, instead of our Innovatech founder spending hours sifting through LinkedIn, LeadLeap.ai serves up a curated list of high-potential leads, complete with contact information, recent company news, like if they just got funding or launched a new initiative that makes them a prime candidate for Innovatech's software, and even insights into their current tech stack. This is gold, pure gold, but it doesn't stop there. Many of these AI sales tools can also help with lead scoring. They analyze a lead's engagement. Did they open your email, click a link, visit your pricing page, and assign a score indicating how hot or cold that lead is. This helps the sales team prioritize their follow-up efforts, focusing on the leads most likely to convert instead of chasing ghosts. Efficiency, people. For Innovatech Solutions, this means their small team can now punch way above their weight. The founder can spend her time crafting personalized outreach to genuinely interested prospects, armed with insights from LeadLeap.ai. The intern can focus on nurturing warm leads instead of making endless cold calls that go nowhere. Their conversion rates start to climb, not because they're working harder, but because they're working smarter. And let's talk about personalization, because generic sales pitches are the quickest way to get ignored. Some AI tools can help you analyze a prospect's online presence and suggest personalized talking points for your emails or calls. Imagine sending an email that references a recent article they wrote or a project their company just announced. That's how you stand out. That's how you build rapport. These tools can also automate a lot of the follow-up. Chapter 3. Your marketing on autopilot, but like the smart kind. AI for marketing automation. Okay, last but definitely not least, let's get into marketing. Because you can have the best customer service and the slickest sales process. But if nobody knows you exist, well, it's all a bit pointless, isn't it? Marketing is how we get the word out, build our brand, and attract customers. But it can be time-consuming. Content creation, social media, email campaigns, it's a full-time job. This is where AI-powered marketing automation tools save our sanity and schedules. They help you understand your audience, create personalized campaigns, optimize ad spend, and generate content ideas. It's like having a marketing strategist, copywriter, and data analyst all in one. AI can streamline and supercharge your marketing efforts, making them more impactful without requiring more of your time. Think about all the different hats you wear as an entrepreneur. Marketing manager is probably one of the most demanding. You're trying to be everywhere, do everything, and keep up with constantly changing trends and algorithms. It's enough to make anyone want to curl up in a ball. But AI can help streamline and supercharge your marketing efforts, making them more impactful without requiring more of your precious time. Let's take an online course creator or a coach, someone like the Savvy Scribbler, who helps aspiring writers. She's amazing at what she does, her courses are top-notch, but marketing them effectively to reach the right audience is a constant struggle. She's trying to run email campaigns, post engaging content on social media, maybe dabble in some paid ads, all while actually coaching her clients and creating new course material. It's a lot. Now imagine the Savvy Scribbler starts using an AI marketing platform. Let's call it ConnectFlow AI. This platform doesn't just send out generic email blasts. It uses AI to segment her audience based on their behavior, what emails they've opened, what links they've clicked, what pages they've visited on her website. Then it helps her create personalized email sequences that speak directly to each segment's interests and needs. So someone who's shown interest in her Fiction Writing 101 course gets a different set of emails than someone who's been looking at her freelance writing business workshop. This level of personalization, which would be incredibly time-consuming to do manually, dramatically increases engagement and conversion rates. Her audience feels understood, not spammed. And that's the key to building trust and making sales. But ConnectFlow AI can do more. It can analyze the performance of her past content blog posts, social media updates, emails to identify what topics resonate most with her audience, what headlines get the most clicks, and what types of content drive the most engagement. It can even suggest new content ideas based on these insights and current trends, so no more staring at a blank page wondering what to write about. And for social media, AI tools can help optimize her posting schedule, suggesting the best times to post on different platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Some tools can even help generate captions or repurpose existing content into different formats for various platforms. Imagine turning one blog post into several social media updates, a short video script, and a newsletter snippet, all with AI assistance. That's leverage, baby. For the savvy scribbler, this means her marketing is suddenly working much harder for her, even when she's not actively working on it. Her email campaigns are more targeted and effective. Her social media presence is more consistent and engaging. She's reaching more of the right people with messages that actually resonate. And she has more time to focus on what she loves, teaching writing and creating amazing courses. Many of these AI marketing tools also offer powerful analytics. You can see exactly how your campaigns are performing, what your ROI is on ad spend, and how different marketing activities are contributing to your overall business goals. This data is crucial for making informed decisions and continuously improving your marketing strategy. No more flying blind and hoping for the best. And let's not forget about content creation itself. There are AI writing assistants that can help you draft blog posts, ad copy, email subject lines, and product descriptions. So there you have it, y'all. We've walked through how AI can seriously level up your customer service, supercharge your sales, and put your marketing on smart autopilot. It's not some far-off future tech. It's here, it's now, and it's ready to help you scale your business in 2025 like you never thought possible. The main takeaway? AI tools are basically your new secret weapon for efficiency, growth, and maybe, just maybe, getting a little bit of your time back. Imagine that. You can actually focus on the big picture, the vision, the stuff that really lights you up, while these smart systems handle some of the heavy lifting. Now, I know new tech can feel a little daunting, but I'm serious when I say you need to explore these tools. Don't just listen to me talk about it. Go out there and start researching, sign up for some free trials, and see for yourself how AI can transform your operations. Your business, your dreams, they deserve this kind of support. So, what are you waiting for? Start scaling today. Pick one area, customer service, sales, or marketing, and find one tool to experiment with. You got this. And remember, the magic words are and. You don't need to break the bank or become a coding genius to make AI work for you. These tools are being designed for us, the everyday entrepreneurs. Choose wisely, implement thoughtfully, and watch your business grow. All right, that's all from me. Go make some AI-powered magic happen. Peace out.